Hello everyone, I'm Seamus, a member of the AEC Digital Construction Integration team at Pentagon Solutions. And in this short video, I'm going to show and talk to you about transitioning from draft design to digital design with Pentagon. AutoCAD has been an integral part of drafting and design for the past 40 years. It has enabled users to design, coordinate, fabricate, and manufacture industry-specific elements from project conception to project completion. Here at Pentagon Solutions, we have seen companies in the past struggle to get the most out of their software. AutoCAD has been underutilized in many aspects of the engineering industry. Users have been unaware of its full capabilities, causing a massive amount of rework and cost on a project. Attribute and data-centric information not being used or unassigned altogether. Integrating the 2D platform with other 3D softwares for enhanced visualization. And incorrect workflow processes for design, construction, and handover phases. AutoCAD has typically been associated as a drafting design software. As it is quick and easy to use, user interface allows generic lines to be grouped and blocked together to create an element used for detailing, coordination, and documentation purposes. AutoCAD is used to recreate site information or specific details for construction and manufacturing purposes, allowing them to be shared across the engineering industry. This coordination of design allows for changes to be made effectively and reused across future projects, while being integrated with other softwares. Providing collaboration opportunities ensures all users are using accurate and relative information. Utilizing AutoCAD's full toolsets prevents delays in project sign-off and projects running over budget. If you can see the gaps within your organization and want to optimize your drafting and integration methods by improving your draft team's abilities, then Pentagon can assist you with our consultation services. We specialize in facilitating the workflow processes for AutoCAD, providing training courses to enhance proficiency. No matter the skill level, we can provide essential training in getting you started, through to advanced and even bespoke training that allows for customization and configuration services, tailoring your AutoCAD requirements to your specific project needs. Architects and civil engineers use AutoCAD to create floor plans, elevations, and sections for sites or buildings, allowing this information to be easily transferable across multiple disciplines. While mechanical and electrical engineers benefit from the specialized toolsets from sketching and analyzing what is the most efficient solution for a project fit out at the early stages of the design process. Our in-house experts specialize across all engineering disciplines and can facilitate your organization's current or future requirements to help reach your end goal. Upskilling your team to optimize all available tools is critical in improving your processes at all stages of the project. However, no matter how experienced a user is in a specialized field, roles across the engineering industry can be aligned to generate similar outputs. Draft designers use AutoCAD as a comprehensive tool to effectively create precise and detailed 2D drawings and layouts, which can be used throughout the organization and utilized in different departments. Design managers coordinate and integrate various design disciplines to adhere to design standards while maintaining consistency across the projects, ensuring compliance with company guidelines and enhancing the quality of design output. While project managers complete mock-ups for design review and sign off on coordination, ensuring the client's satisfaction with the project's progress, completing it within the project's budget. AutoCAD will always have an integral part of the engineering industry. But as we move forward and integrate with new softwares and data-centric information, the correct processes need to be put in place at the early stages to further expand your organization's opportunities. Utilizing information at the right time prevents delays in project sign-off, with design and element information being incorrect or unassigned. Element and project information needs to be aligned with the current ISO standards to prevent information degradation, which can have a major impact on your internal processes, project completion, and future potential job bidding. Pentagon can facilitate your bespoke needs by creating dynamic, data-centric elements that can be transferable across projects, and develop your in-house templates ensuring you are ISO compliant. Allow Pentagon to maximize workflow processes by using scripts and macros to complete repetitive tasks to ensure efficient AutoCAD usage throughout the project. Optimizing the software's user interface capacities to find the key areas that may need to be addressed across the different roles, creating more efficient and streamlined processes. Pentagon can provide comprehensive solutions to enhance your organization's productivity, allowing for data-centric element information to be extracted, optimized, and transferred across the different project teams and different softwares, allowing your accounts, procurement, and scheduling teams to all benefit from these processes already being created from your design packages. Our team of industry and software experts can assess your organizational goals and align your services accordingly. Organizational success is driven by project success. Efficient processes promote efficient outcomes, preventing rework, time lost, and cost to the project. Although AutoCAD has many benefits in the draft and design process, it is not a BIM authorization tool. The next stage of digital design is through the integration and introduction of Revit. Moving away from typical 2D plans into 3D modeling and coordination spaces with the use of intelligent, high-fidelity data being utilized for data-driven design decisions. Revit is a recognizable BIM authorizing tool and can drive all the same efficiencies as mentioned in AutoCAD and more, with the likes of collaboration and coordination and data-driven elements being more apparent. Join me in my next series to find out how to adopt a BIM process with Revit. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe to keep up to date with future videos. You can also follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter.